English to mosquito. Go equals.
bihka,
Master, go, fast. Welcome. Hey you, ready to move your mosquito up a level? Let's have some fun together. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart shortcut to speaking with confidence. For more tools, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the verb, go, in mosquito, from commands like
bihka,
to everyday phrases with
yawan,
buckle up, humor, rhythm, and real lifelines ahead. Your goal today. You'll nail the core forms so you can speak right away. Go.
bihka,
I go.
yam ni yawan,
You go.
ma yawan,
He goes.
luluwin,
She goes.
witin yawan,
It goes, meaning, it's okay, so.
yamnin,
We go.
witin yawan,
You, plural, go.
yawan,
They go.
yawan,
Mini dialogue. Listen in and repeat after each line. Yes, out loud. A. Ready? Go.
bihka,
B. Okay, I go.
yam ni yawan,
A. You go first.
ma yawan,
I'll follow. B. Look, he goes now.
luluwin,
A. And she goes too.
witin yawan,
B. How's the plan? It goes.
yamnin,
A. Great, we go together.
witin yawan,
B. After you pack, you, plural, go to the river.
yawan,
A. When the bell rings, they go.
yawan,
Call and response drill. Your turn, echo me like a pro. Keep it punchy. Say, go.
bihka,
Repeat. Say, I go.
yam ni yawan,
Repeat. Say, you go.
ma yawan,
Repeat. Say, he goes.
luluwin,
Repeat. Say, she goes.
witin yawan,
Repeat. Say, it goes, it's okay.
yamnin,
Repeat softly. Say, we go.
witin yawan,
March it. Say, you, plural, go.
yawan,
Group energy. Say, they go.
yawan,
Smooth and steady. Culture tip. Sound natural with a small but mighty phrase. On the Mosquito Coast, when someone asks, how are you? A chill, balanced reply is, it goes. Say.
yamnin,
It's not over the top happy or sad, just calm and okay. Pair that vibe with motion words like,
bihka,
or group moves like,
witin yawan,
and you'll fit right in. Quick quiz. Test time, quick, confident answers. Q1. Mosquito for, go. A.
bihka,
Q2. Mosquito for, I go. A.
yam ni yawan,
Q3. What means, you go, singular? A.
ma yawan,
Q4. He goes, say it. A.
luluwin,
Q5. She goes, say it. A.
witin yawan,
Q6. It goes, okay, say it. A.
yamnin,
Q7. We go, say it. A.
witin yawan,
Q8. You, plural, go, say it. A.
yawan,
Q9. They go, say it. A.
yawan,
Rhyme and rhythm. Lock it in with a silly beat, smile while you speak. Go, go, Go.
Bihka.
In the flow. I start.
Yam ni yawan.
You lead.
Ma yawan.
He's off.
Luluwin.
She glides.
Within yawan.
Squad up.
Within yawan.
Crowd moves.
Yawan. Yawan.
How's the vibe?
Yamnin.
And we still go. 30-second challenge. You've got this. Go rapid fire. Say a true sentence about your day using
Yam ni yawan.
point at a friend, imaginary counts, and say
Ma yawan.
gesture to a group and coach them with
Yawan.
announce your team start with
Within yawan.
rate your day in one word.
Yamnin.
Goodbye. Nice work. Du hast richtig gas gegeben. Thanks for listening with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing your mosquito moves.
Bihka. Yam ni yawan. Ma yawan. Luluwin. Within yawan. Yamnin. Within yawan.
And
Yawan.
remember to visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and laughs. See you next time, and hey, now you really can go.
Bihka.